We're gonna play Melon Sandbox. Going on top of the volcano, part 2. But with Kraken. You know why? Because Kraken doesn't know what's a volcano, so we're gonna test him. What is this? A really big... Ah! Oh no, you're getting burned. That means you're gonna die. He's hallucinating that pretend that it's water in his mind. Water. No, I need water. Dad tried to stop being burned. No, help. I'm gonna die because of you. Because you didn't even meant to literally go down. The little here. I'm gonna die. Because what you did is a meanie. What meanie? Because you're not allowed. You're just supposed to be watching and you thought that it's just a volcano. Goodbye to me. I'm gonna die. That's because you forgot that it's not water. And he's dead. And now everybody. No, bro. Because of you. Let me get you all. Ow, bro. Did you forgot? We're gonna test the creator. What? Not the YouTuber. Oh, hello. Whatever you are. Reckon your sister is dead, whatever. Not my sister. Anyways, I'm gonna be immortal, but I'm not gonna be extinct. Not my sister. Don't go near, bro. Don't go. Alright, let's go near. Help! I'm not going to lava. I'm not going to that lava, girl. But you have to go to the lava. Since your sister is dead, you want to be dead so you can meet your sister in the heaven? Yeah? Dead, die. I have a family. I know. Your family's dead. Ah! Almost went extinct. Ow. And I'm still alive. Thank God. I'm burning! Then go top of the volcano. Yeah. Oh my God, this is gonna be... Burn! Burn the Kraken! Burn the Kraken! Another spell of GTA 6. We don't care! We don't care! Because it's not gonna spawn in any minute. What? Yeah, I don't know. I just don't understand. We don't know GTA 6 too! Then get in already. Don't get out. I'm gonna rope you. No! Then just don't get out. Help me! It's because of you. And whatever. Now I'm just gonna burn. Let me go extinct. Bye-bye, guys. Let me just wait until you die. Any minute now. Oh my God, that was a bad nightmare, bro. I'm out of here, bye. And he's dead. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye.